Liz from On the Deal Adventures. As you can see, I'm on an airplane. So I'm going on a little solo adventure this week. I'm going to Florida, and for the first couple days I'm going to stay with my parents, and then I'm going to a pharmacy convention in Orlando. So you guys are going to go to Disney with us, and probably Universal, because we are equal opportunity theme parks on this channel. And yeah, just gonna have some fun in Orlando and Tampa. So let's see what we get into. Let's go. Say goodbye yesterday kind of deal, but anyway, this video is just gonna be like multiple days anyway. So it's the next day now, and we are on our way to Disney World. We're gonna check out, I think, the Grand Floridian to see their Christmas decorations and stuff, and maybe swing by Hollywood Studios and maybe Animal Kingdom, but we're going to Disney World. Yay! Well guys, we did it! We made it to Disney! Ta-da! We're at the Grand Floridian looking at all of their Christmas decorations. It's so pretty in here to begin with, and then with all the trees and stuff, it's just even prettier. Yeah. Look at this huge tree. Like, look at that. That's crazy. Main Christmas tree again, down from the first floor. Like, it's huge. Look how tall that thing is. Crazy. So one of the really cool things at the Grand Floridian during the holidays is they have all like these cool gingerbread houses and stuff. And so that's what we're here looking at right now. They're also filming something here apparently. When we walked in here, there's a whole bunch of film crew and lights everywhere. It's kind of cool. See, everybody's over here getting ready to film stuff. They've got like this big giant like film screen here. And then there's like big lights up here. But this is what we came to see. This is the gingerbread house. How big that is. Like, it's all real gingerbread, which is crazy. You come over here, they've got these like signs that tell you like when it was established. Apparently they started doing this in 1999 according to the sign, and it shows you like how they make it and stuff, which is kind of cool. And then over here they show you the ingredients, so that's what it's made out of. Pixie dust, obviously. Look. We stopped over at the Contemporary Gingerbread as well. It's got Cinderella and Prince Charming really closely. You can see some hidden Mickeys in the castle too at Gingerbread. You can see that's like actually gingerbread. Here's a close-up of some of those hidden Mickeys that are in the castle. And then also there's another one right up there too. Here's the information about the Gingerbread Castle at the Contemporary if anyone's interested. We made it over to Hollywood Studios. We're gonna get some food at some point, but we're here checking out what they've got going on as far as Christmas decorations and stuff. So the first thing we noticed, well, I noticed, when we walked in was all of these cool, like wreaths hanging across the street. Sorry if the sun is like horrible. It's that time of day. But yeah, it's cool. Like everywhere you look, they've got all these little Christmas decorations. Very festive. Guys, we filmed Groot and Star-Lord. We found them, and we're about to go use them.
How's it going?
Hey!
My name's Peter.
I'm Teresa.
Nice to meet you, Teresa. But you can call me Star-Lord.
Star-Lord. Okay.
Here, why don't you come say hey to my friend Groot? Come on in here, guys. Welcome aboard the Milan. Oh, they look familiar to you? Here, guys, why don't you come over here where Groot can get a little better look at you? Where have you seen him at, then, Groot?
I am Groot.
Xandar? You guys been flying around Xandar much lately?
Yeah.
And you see, they made them
Groot.
out of bread.
Wait, did you see that?
You want to see? You're made out of bread. I know.
Groot. Maybe. Hey, you guys, were you there last Tuesday?
Yeah.
In Xandar?
Yeah, we were.
Yeah, in
It's a trip.
Xandar. Yeah.
That's the day I saw you in the fountain, Groot, but I didn't have any proof.
Yeah, we
he was
saw
in the
him.
fountain.
We saw him.
See, Groot? Now I got 4 witnesses here. Yep.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Oh, no. Don't ignore them, Groot. They're doing their job. No, they're model citizens here. You know, Groot, we told you not to be in that fountain, dude. What were you doing?
You were drinking water.
What do you mean you were trying to swim? Groot, you're a stick, dude. You're gonna float. Oh,
I
sure.
know.
Oh, you want to go underwater? Well, maybe if you practice holding your breath, we could take you underwater sometime, okay, Groot? Oh, you're holding it? Okay, keep holding it, Groot.
Can you say hi to all your YouTube followers? Thank you. Uh-oh. I think this means trouble. Once again hopped parks. Now we are at Animal Kingdom. You can see that. Yeah, we're going to go check out Pandora because with my family today and they haven't seen it yet. So we're gonna do that, and I love Pandora, as you guys know. We're gonna go do that. Maybe get some more food because, you know, food. And I don't know what else we're gonna do over here, but we'll see. Hey guys, sorry it's a little dark in here. I also forgot to film like everything we did today, but we're currently at the Rainforest Cafe in Animal Kingdom. So it's really cool in here. I've never actually eaten in this one here. I've eaten in another one, but this is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you our view from our table. So we're sitting right next to this waterfall, and then there's like monkeys swinging up there, and then there's another monkey up there, and then there's all these like vines and stuff, and then this is really cool. There's like all these stars, and they move. It's really cool in here. So our food just got here. I got the Korean spicy stir fry. Sarah got a full flat iron steak. My mom got a
salad.
Cobb salad. So we're gonna eat now. And this will probably be my last video for the night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. But, yeah, I don't know. Click the thumbnail on the right to watch our latest video, the thumbnail on the left to watch another video from us, or the center circular icon to subscribe to our channel.